Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Si Dan umalis. I mean, nandito na siya, pero he went out to buy. Can you show them? Look! That's really fresh, babe. That
warm,
smells really good. Yeah, still warm. Kasi babaunin niya for lunch. Diba, if you watch the previous vlog, bumili kami yung chicken. So, ito, prepare na ni Dan kagabi. And then, yung lettuce niya. And then, he went out and got cheese. And then, yung aking kakainin today is croissant. So, I will have 1 croissant today with my coffee. Yung ididip ko yung croissant. Tapos, kakainin ganun. And then, I will have another one sa... I will bring one to work. Ooh, let's see how this guy makes these rolls. You call it rolls? Not a sandwich?
No, sandwich is just bread.
Yes! Yes! Good boy.
Can you open up the cheese, babe? Oh, no, I'll do it. You'll destroy the packet. You don't open up it all the way. You just open up enough to close it, reseal it again.
That looks really good, the cheese.
It is good cheese.
I like the holes. The holes in the cheese! Is that mayo?
Yep.
Plenty.
You done your makeup?
Yep. Just need to do my hair. Lettuce! 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 Whoa! Look at this.
These are called knot rolls.
Knot rolls. Yeah. Ah, because it's in a knot.
Ding 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 ding.
Who's raiding the morning paper?
Me.
What time is it, babe? Oh, I have my watch now. Oh. 10 to 8. Ready to leave in 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm wearing this top that I got from Tam. This skirt that I got from Danny Minogue, yung petite collection sa Target. And then my necklace is from Catherine. Thank you so much. House of Harlow lang naman ay time. So pretty. My nails still going strong. And then my bag will be this Kardashian collection. The pom-poms is from Kati Maganda. Thank you, Dai. And then my shoes will be the Forever 21 flats, yung pointed na flats. And we're ready to leave really, really soon. I have my baon in here. Yung baon ko is yung chicken na kinain namin kahapon. Yung thigh, at saka yung drumstick na part. Yummers. Nagbaon din ako ng croissant na nilagyan ko ng cheese. Yummers. Oh. Oops.
That was good. Imagine if that cost us the game.
We forgot his coffee. Sorry, babe.
That's my fault.
No, I forgot as well. Off to work we go! I have on my lips yung bite na lipstick na binigay sa akin ni Kat. Yung socialite na lipstick. And then over it is the box of lip gloss. Traffics. Oh, mini. Hello, that's a good mini, babe. Dark green mini. Did you see it?
Nope.
Did you see it? Did you see it? Tagal ko din hindi nag-lip gloss. Ngayon ko lang nag-lip gloss. Maano sa buhok ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung shade, guys. Actually, it's here. Let me say. I didn't bring it. I brought this one instead. Yung Marc Jacobs na slow burn. Iiwan ko yung camera ko dito. Tonight, we will go have dinner with his mom, his stepdad, and his auntie Kai. Magdi-dinner kami mamaya. Vietnamese restaurant?
Yep.
We will leave at 6.
Yep.
I have time to change. Look at this bus, guys. He's trying to reverse.
He's stuck.
He's stuck. He is stuck. Ah, good job, boss.
Yeah, very cool.
And we have that called Good Morning. Ang dami nilang roadworks dito, kahit na I don't think they need it. Like your roads are really good, and then you still have heaps of roadworks.
It's not right. This is building a tunnel for a bus.
Okay. They're building a tunnel? Wow. Okay. Cool. 25 here by. Are you a good driver? The best. The best. I'm trying to get my learner's permit. No, not learner's permit. Driver's permit. Kaya lang wala akong time na mag-take ng exam. Kasi out ko 4:30. Tapos parang nag-close yung government office para sa driver's permit ng 5. I need to take the exam to get my driver's permit. And then I need to take another practical exam para ma-convert yung license ko. So I don't have to go through the learners, like, you know, kailangan nila ng mga hours kasi meron na akong license. All I need to do is the theory test or the hazard something test, they call it. And then if I'm ready to do the practical exam, I will do the practical exam. Yung ikaw talaga yung nagda-drive, tapos meron kang instructor na katabi mo. And then as soon as I pass that, I should get my license, Australian license, Australia driver's license. Kaya lang wala pa akong time. She's pretty. I like her skirt. She's pretty. Do you think she's pretty? We're leaving soon, right?
10 minutes.
10 minutes? Hello. Natapos ko lang mag-laundry. Pupunta kami ngayon sa dinner, Vietnamese restaurant. How far is it from here, babe?
20 minutes.
Can you give me your bowl, please? 20 minutes? Okay.
The dishes will be washed. We're going to take them out.
Sorry?
The dishes have been washed.
I already took it out.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I did everything.
What have I done?
What have you done? Nothing.
No.
Watch YouTube. Poor me! Hindi. Siya kasi yung nagligpit kahapon. Siya lahat kahapon. So pagdating niya today, umupo. Nag-YouTube. Wala na talaga ako, guys. Hindi na ako nakakanood ng YouTube video. Pero that's okay. I will edit the vlog. Kahapon na vlog tonight. Siguro pagbalik na namin galing dinner. Pero yung video for tonight's already up. Not up, but it's ready to be up at 10. Same schedule. Meron talaga akong mga pimples sa dito sa baba ng ilong ko. 1, 2, 3. Nanganak. Ito na sana to. Tapos nag-add ito. Tapos ngayon ito. 3 na sila, nakakaloka. Anyway, what am I gonna do now? I am wearing this dress that I got from Cotton On. Mahaba siya na dress. And then this necklace na bigay sa akin ni Kath. And I'm also wearing earrings na, guys. Wala lang. Feel ko lang mag-wear ng earrings. And then I think I will be, not I think, but I will be wearing this as well. Over the dress. Kasi it's gonna be cold, I think. So yeah, I'm ready. Hinintay ko na lang si Dan. Are you gonna change or what? Oh, wow! You're so guapo, babe.
I know.
I love that top. I love those shorts.
I chose not thinking what I'm wearing.
Yep, the glasses from KUMAIN.
With all the extra benefits of being a
Wow! But you look really good today. We're matching! You copied me!
A what?
Black and black. I want to vlog.
You can vlog. What? I don't care you're vlogging.
They don't care, but I'm a bit like...
You're the one that will care, no one else will care.
Yeah. Help me.
No, you vlog, babe. Vlog something interesting. Might as well vlog that. Be better than vlogging driving to work.
Like I always do.
Yes.
Very supportive, this guy. This guy's very, very supportive. He's not helping me. He was like,
Blah, 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 blah.
I'm not gonna help you, but vlog, vlog, vlog. That's where we're going. Viet L'Amour. Fancy. Looks cool. They have a few of these.
Along the streets.
Yeah, there's more there.
Yeah.
Right there. And there. Cool. I haven't been here before. Walang tao. Nobody's here.
Hello, Anna. I'm looking on the Daniel.
Ang ganda ng outfit nito. Thank you! Ooh, nice! Nice. Do you want to sit there? I think that's for the two of us. Ang social, oh. Babe, it's so social. Fine. What is it?
I don't mind spending a little bit.
You don't mind
We're
spending a
rich.
little bit?
We're
Or are you?
Or do you want to, or not?
How much is it?
$40 a person, so it'll be
Yeah.
$200 plus drinks, $250
Yeah.
plus we get. Oh, cool. Thank you.
See? Let's do it. Oh, look at us.
We look good.
We do look good. Ang fancy na chair na lalagyan. Fancy.
That's really drinks. No, it's not.
Oh,
That's drinks.
that's drinks.
No drinks. So what's the other options?
You look so guapo.
Thank you.
Do the takeaway so I can bring it to lunch tomorrow.
Yeah, we could do that though.
Lunch. Where are they?
This is not like that, Mum.
You're
She
right.
must-
She's
she
always
must-
early. Nandito nga sila.
The family's coming.
Hindi yung dumaan. That's not them.
Mummy's here.
The mommy and the daddy.
Mommy's here.
And the auntie's here. They're parking right now. Danny's hungry. Really
I'm
hungry.
fading away.
Fading away. Babe, they got chocolate here.
Chocolate?
Your face just like
Oh,
chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yes. Babe, I really need to buy that. It's so busy.
It's busy here, so
It's gonna be hard for you to find seats. Hello.
It can be hard.
How are you?
Baba.
Hi, Pete.
Hey, babe.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Each morning in the car.
Oh, now it's
She films in the
done.
car.
You're going to
That's
be a
good.
photographer, are you?
No, this is video.
This is for YouTube.
That's good. Okay, we're good.
Sometimes. I can't believe that, Sharon. Oh, I don't believe that. Much better than
Thank you.
Cooper's Outhouse.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are home. Nawash ko na din yung face ko. Nilagyan ko ng mga... Yung sa COS RX. Minuha ko ng tubig. Yung sa COS RX, guys, na pimple patch, nilagay ko siya dito. Diba kanina, parang dalawa ba yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina? Ngayon, may tatlo na. May tatlong anak na siya. Yung ito, wala na to eh. Parang scar na lang siya ng konti. Mawawala din yan very soon. Pero, ito yung pinakabago. Maliit siya. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng patch. Hindi ko alam kung bakit sila nandiyan sa part na yan. Pero, they're there. I think it's better than like sa ilong talaga. Kasi minsan yung pimple ko, gustong-gusto nila na pumatong dito. But this time, nandito sila. Apat talaga. Pero yung again, yung isa, okay na. Anyway, natulog na ako. I was gonna edit a video. Meron akong inedit kanina before kami umalis na Dan, papuntang dinner. By the way, dinner was really, really good. Hindi siya mura, pero masarap, masarap. Ginawa namin yun para, like, para pasalamatan lang yung ano niya, yung mama niya. At saka yung auntie niya, tsaka yung stepdad niya din. Kasi yung bait-bait nila sa amin. So, yun. And then, ano pa ba? Yeah, hindi ko natapos ma-edit yung video ko. Kasi kailangan namin umalis. Pero, and hindi ko rin siya matatapos ngayon because I'm really tired. I need to sleep. I usually sleep before 10. And it's 9:30 right now. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget to be goodbye. Good night. Babe, good night. Babe, good night. Good night.